Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Kickstart video. Today's date is April 23rd, 2024. In the Kickstart video, I take a look at three of the major currency pairs: the euro versus US dollar, the dollar versus yen, and sterling versus US dollar. So let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart of the euro versus US dollar, one of the levels that I spoke to in the weekend Forex report is this level at 1.06942. That would be a target to get to and through if the price moved above this swing area through here, which incorporated a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back to this area through here where we had, you can see all the times that the price either had a lower high during here before moving to the upside. We came back to that level a few weeks ago, fell below that level and used that level as resistance in trading last week. The price moved above it but couldn't sustain the momentum and close the week, just a little bit below, I guess, the level. We need to get above that level to increase the bullish bias. We couldn't do it on Monday. Move down lower to a test, well, this low right here, which was the low price from not last week, but the week before. And then found support buyers. And today we're seeing the rotation back to the upside, where we went up and retested the 1.06942 level, found resistance sellers. We're still back in within this swing area through here. So, we've defined a ceiling here. The sellers came in, and we'll see if the price can stay below that 1.0694 level. If it can't break above it, we look toward the broken 38 point. Oh, well, actually, we look toward the 38.2% retracement of this move to the downside. That level comes in at 1.0709 to get above that level, and we'll start to look toward the 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart at 1.07327. All right, let's take a look at the dollar versus yen next. And for this currency pair, I'm going to take a look at the hourly chart. And trading yesterday, the price extended to yet another new high going back to 1990. And trading here today, we inched just a little bit more above that level at 154.85. But as you can see, there is some apprehension to move up toward that 155 level, where people or traders think that the price may attract the Central Bank of Japan coming in and putting a lid on the pair. Having said that, the sellers are not really taking much control. If they are to take more control, we need to get and stay below the 100-hour moving average. In trading on Monday at the open, the price did move below that level, but could not be sustained, and we've been above it for every hour since that point. So that 100-hour moving average comes in at 154.56. We're currently trading at 82. So about 4 plus 20. 22, so about 26 pips away from that level. So as long as the price remains above the 100-hour moving average, the buyers remain in control. Once again, if we do look at the monthly chart of the dollar versus yen, we are trading at the highest level going back to 1990, way back here. So there is, the upside is really unlimited. We could head up toward the 160 level over time, but we still need to get above the 155 level, which again is the level that traders are saying the Bank of Japan might be interested in coming in to limit the yen's downside momentum. Finally, let's take a look at the sterling versus US dollar. And if we look at this currency pair on the 4-hour chart, like the euro versus US dollar, we are seeing a rebound back to the upside. That rebound back to the upside is now taking the price back above the 61.8% retracement. Recall on Friday, we came down toward that level. In Monday's trade, we moved higher off of that level before breaking to the downside to the lowest level going back to this day right here, which is in November 14, 2023, before starting a rotation back to the upside. And trading here today, we are seeing stronger move to the upside with the 61.8% broken at 123.63. Again, we will need to get and stay below that level to increase the bearish bias. Admittedly, we've traded above and below it over the last 2 4-hour bars, so it has traded above or back below it. But we could not maintain the momentum, and we did just make a new high for the day, or we have in the current bar at 124.057. If we the next target on the top side comes in against this level right here, 124.27 to 124.49, get above that level, that would be more bullish. If we take a look at the hourly chart of this currency pair, the high price that we are seeing in trading here today has come up to test its 100-hour moving average. Guess what that level is going to be? A key level today, and it's no surprise that the price did find willing sellers against that level. So the sellers are trying to put a lid on this pair on the corrective move. If we do get above that level, then we'll look toward that swing area up here, and also within that swing area is a 200-hour moving average at 124.41. Be aware of that area between 27 and 49 or 50, with the 200-hour moving average also at 41, and also be aware of this level, 124.068. Obviously, a ceiling level that has stalled the rise in trading here today. So there you have it, a Kickstart video that will take you a look at the three major currency pairs: the euro versus US dollar, the dollar versus yen, and sterling versus US dollar. Wishing you all but the best in your trading here today. Bye-bye now.